Toyota touchscreen freezing is a common frustration affecting millions of drivers. Understanding the causes and knowing how to perform a quick reset can save you time and stress. This issue primarily affects three Toyota infotainment systems: Entune 2.0, found in 2014 to 2018 models, Entune 3.0 in 2018 to 2021 vehicles, and the newer Toyota audio multimedia systems in 2022 and later models. The freezing occurs due to four main categories of issues. Let's examine each cause to better understand why your touchscreen might become unresponsive. Software issues like corrupted cache files and incomplete updates are the most common culprits. Hardware problems include overheating components and faulty touch sensors. Environmental factors such as extreme temperatures can also trigger freezing. Finally, user actions like rapid screen tapping or using incompatible USB devices can overwhelm the system. Now let's learn the most effective first solution, the soft reset method. This simple technique resolves about 70% of touchscreen freezing issues. The soft reset is your first line of defense against a frozen touchscreen. Simply locate the power or volume knob on your Toyota's infotainment system. Press and hold this knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen completely shuts down. Then, press the power button again to restart the system. This method successfully resolves minor freezing issues about 70% of the time. To prevent future freezing issues, keep your Toyota's infotainment system updated with the latest software. Avoid using the touchscreen in extreme temperatures when possible, and be gentle with your inputs rather than rapidly tapping the screen. These simple practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing touchscreen freezing. When a soft reset doesn't resolve your Toyota touchscreen freezing, several advanced methods can help restore functionality. The hard reset, also known as factory reset, has an 85% success rate for software-related problems. For persistent issues, disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes can resolve hardware-related problems. Alternatively, removing the multimedia fuse for 5 minutes can help with electrical issues. Prevention is key to avoiding future touchscreen freezing. Keep your system updated, maintain proper ventilation, avoid rapid touches, and use only Toyota-approved accessories. Newer Toyota models from 2023 onward feature over-the-air updates and improved hardware to reduce freezing issues. If problems persist, check for technical service bulletins. Toyota has extended touchscreen warranties to 8 years or 100,000 miles for certain model years from 2017 to 2020 due to widespread issues.